Dear respected say and dear colleagues, a very good morning to you all. I'm Eslen Prasad and a student of University of Fiji for semester 2 2022, and today I'll be going to present my major assignment for ITC216, and I'll show you that what I have designed in my assignment. My assignment in the major assignment, I have to design a program, right? And in this assignment, I'll be going to show you that how I have designed the EFL Energy Fiji Limited's bill calculator and BMI calculator, right? So I've used two very major information and compiled together in one project. So let's begin. So for Visual Basic Studio, I've used Visual Basics 2010 edition. So in order to go to the program, I have to type Visual Basic, right? Visual Basic, and in my laptop it installed, right? Already installed. So I have to go and choose Visual Basic 2010. From here, it will take time to open, and now from here I have to go and choose the file where I have saved my project. So I have to go to File, and I have to go to Open File, and I have to choose Desktop, right? In ITC216 folder, you can see Assignment 124 ITC216. I have to click on that, Eslen's project and BMI calculator, right? From here, I have to choose Form 1, the form, another file that is a Visual Basic, the designing part, and the main form, right? 4 files are already selected. I have to open it, and once it is open, then I'll show you how I have designed, and if I'll run the program, then what will be the output like, right? So I have to go to, this is a designer view. You can see all the information that I have used, right, in my assignment with the use of Visual Basic, right? It's everything is available here, right? It's a designing part now, right? Now from Form 1, this is the major form, right? This is the major form. I have used the form, right? And now I'm going to show you that how the information looks like, right? Great. Right, so basically this part will appear, right? This part will appear. You can see the form BB is here, the design part is there, and another the form attributes are here. This is the designing part, another form, right? So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you for the designing part, how I have designed this platform, right? This program, right? You can see here the toolbox are here, and this side are the properties. Now if you see the image, right, the image, first of all, this is the form, and I gave the name for this form as, right, form healthy Fiji, and it's BBC BMI calculator, right? BMI calculation, right? BMI calculation and water authority of Fiji. I've put the name here in the text, right? For the image, right? For the image, right? If you see the image, then I took the image from my pictures, right? Picture gallery. Then here is the image. First of all, in order to put the image here, I have to go and choose one, right, picture from here, right? That is a image, right? Image, and with the use of image, right? Then I can put the picture in my project, right? So basically these are the toolbox, right? Toolbox, and from here you can see all the information is here, right? There is a picture box, right? To get the picture in my program, I have to go and get one picture, right? Click on picture, then the picture will appear. I put the picture here, then in the picture I have to get the image, right? I have to get the image, right? This is the part where I have imported the image from. It is from my local drive, right? So and click OK. The picture will appear here. Same I have done for this one, and the name is also here. The picture box 1. This is PIC HF logo, right? And another picture here. So I've used my picture here. That's the logo for BMI, and this is the logo for Water Authority of Fiji, right? If you see this portion, this entire part, and this is a group box. So how to get the group box, right? You can go to toolbox and get the group box from this portion, right? You can get the group box from here, right? And with the use of the group box, then I have to change the name, and I can also do the setting and changes in the properties too. This is the group box, right? For this portion from here to here, the gray color, that one, I've used the group box, right? Group box, right? You can see the group box is here. The name is GRP information, that is the group information. That's another one, and the name for the group box is information on BMI and Water Authority of Fiji bill. Right, so these are the information for the name here. The name I have put here, that is called level, right? I use level. So 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, 4 level, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right, so these are the levels. These are the levels. So how to get the level? I have to go here for the level part and put individual levels here in the project, and for that one I have to change the name, right? I have to change the name. For this one, for name is LBL name, and under the text, that is name, so name will appear here. For the others, I did same, right? So these are the level, this is the group box, and now this one is text. This one is text. For this one is text name, text address, text city, and this one is for text phone, right? And this one text country, right? TXT country, and height, TXT height, and TXT weight, right? TXT weight. Here is a another text here for Water Authority of Fiji bill calculation. This is a text ICC number, that's account number, and another one is for the text, that is text current, right? I just make it short. And another one is for the text previous, because we are going to calculate the current meter reading and previous meter reading. We want to get the account number with the use of current meter reading, and with the use of previous meter reading, we are going to calculate the units consumed, right? Using unit consumed, and the amount is due from the customer, and all the information will appear here on this platform, this side, right? So I put the buttons here. This is for the calculate, right? If you see this one, BTN calculate, how to get this portion, you have to get it from the toolbox, right? I have to click on button, drag and drop in my project, and I have to change the name, right? For the name, BTN calculate, and what it should appear here, calculate, then I have to change the name in the text, calculate. Another one, and this is also a button for the clear button, right? BTN clear, and another one is the BTN exit, and change the name in text, right? This is another group box, right? I told you how to get the group box. You have to go to a toolbox, and from the toolbox you have to select the group box, right? And drag and drop in the program. This is a group box, right? So I change the name for the group box, right? You can see this is a group result. This is for the result output, and for the text name is results BMI and Water Authority of Fiji bill, right? This is the name. Now this is, right, this part might be, you'll be thinking why it's like that, it's a bit different. This is level, right? Level, right? This is level, and this is another level. This is another level, right? It is very important part, another level, and these are again, right? Level, and another level. So how to get the level? I have already mentioned. You can get the level from the toolbox, and you can do the changes in properties, right? So this is the comment part, right? This is the comment part. It's again, I use a level for the comment. Now this one is the text, I believe, as the level. This is the level where the information will be displayed, right? Text for the input, but for the level, for the output. So there is another level. Here is another label where the information will go, right? You can get the information from this part. And the comment will come, right? This portion, this much, this BMI category and comments, right? According to the name, you have to enter your name, address, city, phone, contact, height and weight. According to your height should be in meters and weight should be in kilogram. According to the height and weight, my program is going to calculate the BMI, right? It will give the output. It will tell the category. I've already put in my comment section the category of BMI, right? And it will give the comments, the beautiful comment, right? From the Water Authority Fiji billing system, account number will be as output here, and unit consumed and total amount due. So this is what I'm supposed to be doing in my project, and I have successfully completed and tested, and it's running. Now I'm going to show you, right? I have shown, I told you how I have used the attributes from the toolbox, how I designed this one. Different people can do their different style designing, right? So basically now I'm going to run the program to check whether the program is working, whether it's running or no, right? So I'm going to run the program. I have to click right this one, play, right? Now this portion will open. From here I can't do any changes, right? It's an output, right? So I have to enter my name, right? My name, I have to enter my name, Eslen Atish Prasad, and I have to change, I have to put the address. Actually I'm staying in Baulevu, no sorry. And I have to mention the city, right? I can just write no sorry because I'm staying in no sorry. And phone contact, right? My phone contact 8479640. And country, yes, country, I'm living in is Fiji Islands, right? Beautiful Fiji Islands. Now height, actually I haven't measured my height, but I believe it's 1.72. 1 meter 72 centimeters. Now weight I'll put here as 65, that is kilogram kg. Okay, that's for the BMI, right? BMI, I've already put the information, and it also appears in the Water Authority of Fiji billing calculation too. Now account number, right here I have to put the account number for my Water Authority of Fiji bill. Account number 98765, right? 98765, that's the account number. Okay, current meter reading, current, right? Current meter reading, it's 9987, right? 9987, the previous meter reading. What was the previous meter reading? Might be last time they came and checked, the previous meter was 9910, right? 9910, but the current is 9987. Now I've already inserted all the information. Now I'm going to calculate. If I click on calculate, see what will happen. It says my BMI is 21.97 and BMI category is healthy weight, and comment is keep up the good work, continue eating healthy and exercising, Eslen Atish Prasad, right? So, and my account number 98765 here, account number. Now unit consumed is 77 and amounts due is 36.365. Why this amount is coming, right? I'll show you. Now first of all I have to clear, right, all the information will go, and I have to exit, everything will go. Now I'll show you why the information is coming, all the information is coming, right? So basically I have to go here, the form, right? So if you see this one, right, all the attributes I put it here in button calculate. For button calculate, listen, I put if height is less than or equal to 0 or weight is less than equal to 0, then, right, label display comment. What the comment will be there? BMI is equal to weight divided by height multiplied by height, and it will display, right, height, weight divided by height multiplied by height. So if BMI is greater than 0 and BMI is less than 16, from 0 to 16, what will happen? From 0 to 16, then, right, what will happen with the use of this formula, weight divided by height multiplied by height? Then if from 0 to 16, then the output will be different. Another one else, if it's greater than 16 and less than 18.5, from 16 to 18.5, then it will tell you underweight. Like previously 0 to 16, then severely underweight, right? Severely underweight, that's for the comment part, and that's for the BMI. And you need, this is the comment, this is that comment will come, you need to eat nutrient rich food more frequently, and the name, whatever name you are going to put in the program, it will display there, right? I have already tried and tested and it's running. So that's for 0 to 16, severely underweight. From 16, greater than 16 to less than 18.5, that one will be underweight. Another one will be BMI greater than 18.5 and less than 25. From 18.5 to less than 25, it will display as healthy weight. And keep up, comment will be keep up with the good work. Continue eating healthy and exercising. And the name will also display. If it's greater than 25 and less than 30, then it will say overweight. You should exercise more now, and the name will display. If it's like, right? So these are some of the information for BMI calculation, right? That's a very important part. That's a very important part for putting the formula and the output, right? That's for the BMI. Now I move to the EFL. EFL, right? The formula I've used is unit is equal to current minus previous. To get the unit, right, it will be formula is current minus previous. If unit is greater than 100, then amount will be units multiplied by 0.8 plus 2. This is the formula. I used my own formula just to get the information, right? If it's greater than 100, then units multiplied by 0.8 plus 2. If else, unit is greater than 51, then unit multiplied by 0.45 plus 2. Or if the unit is less than equals to 50, then units multiplied by 0.15 plus 2. I've tested, right? This is my own formula. I've used my own formula, and when I tried, it's working. It's working, right? So basically, once again, we'll go and check. We'll put all the information, feed all the information, and check whether it's working or no. Right, from here, just quickly, right, I'll try to write my name, Eslen, just write my name, Eslen Atish Prasad, go to address, write Baulevu, no sorry, that is no sorry, city, right, I'll just put again no sorry, and phone contact, I've previously mentioned, 8479640. I'm going to put the country here, right? That is Fiji Islands. Height, right? 1.72, and weight will be 65, right? Account number 98765, and current meter reading is okay. I'll be going to put the current meter. That's 9980. Previous was 8899. Right, so I'm going to calculate. I'm going to calculate this one, and it says BMI, right? BMI 21.97, healthy weight, right? Keep up, continue eating healthy and exercising, right? This is coming from the comment where I put the formula, right? And that is the BMI category. I've shown you, right? Let's show you, right? This part, right? I've already put the information here, right? The comments. Right, if I change the height will be, okay, I'll just write 150, and weight will be 100. This time, let's see the comment, calculate. It says, oh, BMI is 0.00, obesity, BMI is obesity. Do not be disheartened. You must eat healthy and exercise more often, Eslen Atish Prasad. Now, I'll change some other information, right? Here is 1.10, and the weight, I'll just type 86, and let's calculate again. It says again 71.07, obesity, and do not dishearten, right? This one, okay, I'll change it with 1.90, and here I'll type 30, right, kg. Let me calculate again. It's again 8.31, severely underweight. See this one, this time according to the height and weight, the information is coming severely underweight, and BMI is 8.31. Now for the information for the bill, right, I change the bill, account number 77865, and here current meter reading, I'll change this one 5678. This is the current, and previous meter was 3346, right? That's the previous meter reading. I have to calculate. Let's see. You can see the information has changed. 77865, that's the account number, and unit consumed is 2333, and amount due is $1,868.40. Right, that's all. And if I clear, all the information will be cleared, and if I'll exit, everything will be exit. This is what actually I supposed to be doing in my assignment, in my final assignment, and I've done, and with the best of my ability. And once again, thank you for listening, and hope you have enjoyed what I've done in my presentation. At this time and gesture, I would like to thank my mentor, my respected my tutor, Mr. Neeraj Sharma, for all his help, guidance and support. Once again, thank you very much. Binaka Bakalebu. God bless you. Thank you.